And over the past 80 years, Vietnam's National Assembly has continuously renewed itself to fulfill its constitutional duties of lawmaking, supreme oversight, and decisions regarding major national matters. Entering a new era, it is accelerating digital transformation to build a modern, transparent, and people-centered digital legislature.
In the past, National Assembly deputies had to work through massive, costly stacks of documents at each session. Since the 14th term, paperwork has been replaced by tablets, significantly improving efficiency and convenience.
National Assembly deputies only need to open an iPad, access the search tool, and read all draft documents. This has saved a great deal of resources, amounting to thousands of tons of paper.
Digital transformation within the National Assembly has continued to accelerate. The rollout of the Digital National Assembly Software 2.0 enables fast information retrieval and convenient document searches.
Virtual assistants help deputies draft proposals and speeches based on analysis of comprehensive summary reports, conclusions, and feedback from scientists.
Artificial intelligence has helped deputies reread, review, and study content more effectively, improving working capacity and overall performance.
Keeping pace with digital transformation, the National Assembly passed the AI law and successfully held the Digital Literacy and Digital National Assembly conferences.
In the coming period, we need to quickly issue an official framework for digital knowledge and skills, develop curricula and teaching materials, and conduct targeted training. We must resolutely pursue digital transformation with no exception.
Building on its 80-year journey and major achievements, Vietnam's National Assembly is becoming increasingly modern and intelligent, better fulfilling its constitutional roles, contributing to people's happiness, and helping lead the country into a new era of strong and prosperous development.
Now, not just in lawmaking, but Vietnam's tech sector left its mark in 2025, moving decisively from policy to practice. We invite you to look back at the key moments that defined this shift, the breakthroughs, the safeguards, and the trends to watch as we step into 2026. This is Vietnam's 2025 Technology Review with reporters Brian Pham and Lina Pham.
As 2025 comes to a close, what stands out as the highlights of the years for you, Lina?
Well, Brian, I think it was my trip to South Korea, where I spent a full day waiting for snow, and finally I got this picture of me with the snow.
I tell you what, in 2025, snow no longer waits for winter. With just a single prompt, I have a perfect photo under snow like this.
Isn't that amazing? While AI creates images in seconds, the law draws the line. On December the 10th, the National Assembly of Vietnam passed the law on artificial intelligence, the first comprehensive AI legal framework in Vietnam. Article 11 of the law requires all AI-generated images, audio, and video to carry a machine-readable label, a clear move to stop deepfakes and protect trust. So if you post an AI-generated photo on social media, you need to label it, Brian.
And AI in Vietnam is no longer just a policy on paper. It is part of daily life. In Hanoi, over 1,800 AI cameras are now watching the road. The system scans 360 degrees. It identifies objects clearly from 500 to 700 meters, and all are designed to detect traffic violation clearly and accurately. From AI cameras on the streets to AI at the airport. In Vietnam, passengers now can scan their VNeID to check in and board flights without stopping at the counter. No paper documents, no long queues.
We have made significant reforms, but there is still much room for improvement. People will gradually grow accustomed to convenience. Our goal is for all procedures and transactions to be completed using just a mobile phone.
Okay, Brian, I can confirm its convenience during our recent domestic flights. Technology in Vietnam is moving fast. It not only saves time, but also saves lives. Medical drones were test flown at Đức Giang General Hospital. It is the first hospital in Vietnam licensed to use UAVs for medical transport. And the drones carry test samples, medicines, and medical supplies within a 15 kilometers range. When speed decides outcomes, this technology can make the difference between delay and survival.
And of course, from drones saving minutes in medical emergencies to shaping the country's long-term futures, these innovations are part of a bigger picture. Vietnam is going all in on technology.
And to turn big plans into real progress, Vietnam knows one thing matters most: people. The government is moving to attract at least 100 top experts with flexible and breakthrough mechanisms, because in the end, technology may lead the way, but talent makes it happen.
Talented people are the lifeblood of the nation. Knowledge and intellect light the path to development. Innovation is the driving force for Vietnam's rapid and sustainable national growth.
2025 marks a clear surge in Vietnam's technology spirit. The effort is not limited to state-led programs. Innovations are moving from pilot projects to real-world applications. Together with public initiatives, startups and SMEs are contributing to helping advance Vietnam's technology development agenda.
And Brian, from a startup spirit taking root across Vietnam to companies that have grown big enough to move the market. And it brings us to one name leading the shift on the roads, VinFast. In 2025, VinFast did something no one expected. It became the best-selling car brand in Vietnam, overtaking foreign petrol rivals and passing the 100,000 vehicle mark in a single year. It has pushed Vietnam to become the second largest EV market in Southeast Asia.
While electric vehicles are transforming the roads, another breakthrough is happening in the digital space. In 2025, Viettel's achievement goes beyond national borders. Its Make in Vietnam 5G solutions became the only technology from Southeast Asia to be recognized on a global list by Gartner. And more than a title, it marks a milestone. Vietnam now has the capability to design, deploy, and operate 5G entirely on its own.
A clear signal that Vietnam is not just catching up with technology, it is stepping into the global arena.
Yes, and that brings us to the big picture. From everyday convenience to global recognitions, 2025 shows how far Vietnam's technology journey has come. Built at home, applied to real life,
And ready
for the future.